What's going on, guys? Today we have another product from TISFA. That's right, so we are back again with another cigar related video. If you guys are enjoying these videos, comment down below, hit that like button, let us know. This is a humidity gauge, okay? So we are opening it up for the first time together. We have the device here and they give us some, you guys want to try and pronounce those batteries, some Chinese branded batteries. So to start off, the unit is 3 inches long, it's 1 inch tall and 2 inches wide. On this portion is the widest portion. You have your little battery door on the back. Pop it off, it's 2 AAA batteries. This is the probe, slides out and then locks in. So this is for actually poking the cigar to test the humidity inside the cigar, which we will do, and a little display screen. So let's get the batteries in here and see what the display screen looks like. Here's the display screen. It says it's got 15 vents to check the humidity, so you can actually put this in your humidor and your cabinet or whatever you have, and also check cigars as well. So I got this, it's $43 on Amazon. I mean, it's a little expensive, but it was cool because it had the dual feature. I wanted another humidity checker gauge in my humidor that was digital. It's hard to find a good one. I don't know how reliable this is. It says that it's plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit for the temperature and plus or minus 8 on the humidity, which is not good at all. I don't know what the rating is on these other units, so I don't know if that's good or bad or just like general what they say across the board. But nonetheless, that's the specs on the unit. So you have your switch here to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it goes from 14 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 degrees Celsius to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's 50 degrees Celsius. The humidity is from 20% to 90% on this unit. So for most people, you're not going to max out the ranges on this particular unit. If you're using it for cigars, like this is pretty much intended for. If you read on Amazon, they say, you know, it's for the garden and for this and for that, and I don't know, I guess that's how they get around like selling these type of products without pissing off Amazon, I guess. I don't really know. It's supposed to take the temperature and the humidity every 15 seconds, so if you leave it on just this setting, every 15 seconds it's going to change and adjust itself. So right now it's reading that it's 69 degrees in my room and 41.5% humidity. Here is the probes. So I actually have a cigar here that we're going to test it and see if it's right. I have multiple electronic hydrometers. They're called hydrometers, not humidity gauges, but I have multiple of these in my humidor, so I have a very good idea of what my cigars run at. Most of the time in my humidor, it's 66.5 degrees, and it's always like 69 to 72 of the humidity. Right now, when I pulled this cigar out, it was 70%. So let's put this in the cigar and see what we're reading. That button is for the probe. So we are at about 72. It's reading. All right, I'm going to let that sit and see how much it changes. So we're up to 72. So, you know, it's fairly accurate. I can't really complain. So I just press the button again. We are basically at 72. It doesn't seem to be moving much from there right now. So it's fairly accurate. Just had this in there testing the temperature, and again, I know that the temperature in there is 66.5. This was reading 66.3. So fairly accurate with the other ones. Again, from the specifications, it says plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit and then plus or minus 8% humidity. So the humidity was actually 71 in my humidor when I put this one back in. and it fluctuates, like I said, 70, usually 69 to 72, depending on the day. At this particular time, it was reading like 71, 70, and I was getting 72 on the cigar here. So it is possible that the cigar would be a little more humid than what the reader is. They absorb moisture as well. But overall, I'm fairly happy with this. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. I wish the slider was a little easier to slide. It's very hard, very, very tight. Even getting it back down. Maybe playing with it a little bit, it'll start to loosen up, but that's really the only negative I could say about this. The display screen is nice. I do wish that it stayed lit or had some kind of light in it, because when you press on to check the humidity from the probe, it works. The light turns on. So I just wish I had maybe an option for the light to keep it backlit. I know it's going to murder the batteries, but it is what it is. This is going to look fine in the humidor. I'm going to lay it down in the back under one of the drawers or something like that. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to use this product. I'm glad that I have it now, and we'll see how long it lasts and how long it stays accurate. So thank you guys for watching. This is all I got for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Take care.